Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from TSportline, coming to you from our Atlanta installation center. And today I've got another new Cybertruck. We just finished putting this PPF on the truck. This is pure platinum satin blue rock. It's a pretty radical new color. It's a blue shade. It's got a hint of metallic in it, and I guess more like a lunar rock. I'm getting lunar rock vibes in this. It's a neat color. It's not one I've seen from any other brand. Really cool, nice job from the guys at Pure PPF. We do a lot of installation on Pure PPF here at TSportline, and this truck looks good. Now, just like we've always done, this customer has a foundation series, so we've embossed the foundation series badges over here and on the tailgate. I really like the foundation series or the Cyber Beast when we emboss them, and it's also a more durable thing to do because the graphic is underneath the PPF. It gives you a 3D depth to it, and it's subtle. It's not a lot of fancy badging, but if you get up close, you see it, and it's pretty cool. And the nice thing when we emboss them like this, you don't have to worry about them peeling off when you wash the truck because they're technically under the PPF. What's up next for this customer? We've got to get him into some upgraded wheels from TSportline, maybe the light bar, and I think up front, if he doesn't change his bumper, check out the new light bar that we have that mounts inside the grill area here. We're going to keep dialing this guy's Cybertruck in. Okay, everybody, hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. We got a lot of Cybertrucks here and more content coming your way.